Hey Daisy, I've written this at least for the past 3 weeks in your feedback. On these kind of forms, you are missing this box right here. You need the person's name and address. All goes right in there, the patient. So Pennywise goes in here, 710 Pine Tree Road, Great Falls. The zip code, the phone number, that needs to be here. Over in here, you're missing the codes. You don't have the code for the newborn hearing, which is, I need to put my glasses on, but the code is 92587, should be there. Your totals are here, which is fine. You have the total there, which is fine, so that's good. But the major thing here is you need to have that patient information in this box. And let me check the rest of it for you. We have the Medicaid, which is good. You're missing the insured name right here. You're missing Paige Wise. Is that her mother? You're missing all of that information. So we have the Medicaid that's there, but it actually should go up in this box in A. I don't know why you have it in C, so that stuff should move all up. And then in this one, you should have Paige Wise. And that information is correct. So I'm going to pause this and open up your next one. Okay, we have Paula Short. You did good there. You should have Paula's name here. Same as patient going down there. You missed her insurance plan name here is TRICARE. So we have Paula, and who's the other insured person? John Han. You're missing his information there. We have the signature on file, which is good. Only this first one is needed. You don't need this one, so you cross out that one. And since you have one here, A, you put the A there. So if there was two here, there would be an A and a B. But since there's only one, because you're going to get rid of B, that A is correct. The facility right here is 99203. It's not 201. We have that. What is the total charges of $59, which is good. This is good. You're missing the number here, the MPI number here, and the MPI number there. Signed, this is the physician's signature, not signature on file. You're also missing Shauna Kerner. So send me an email with Shauna Kerr and I will update your grade.